Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce and today is gonna be a different video of the ones that you're used to watch in my channel. In my channel you can find a lot of tutorials. I love doing tutorials for you guys so you can be more familiar and get to know more about the Amazon, about Facebook, about how you can manage your Facebook groups and all of that. However, I also make sometimes videos about parenting and today is one of those videos. As you can see, my background is different. You can see the toys in the back. You can see a little bit of mess and real life here as well. And this is how parenting is. And today I'm gonna show you a few things that you can bring with you in the airplane so your little ones are a little bit occupied and entertained and are not all fussy or trying to run around in the airplane. So if you're interested in parenting videos as well, keep on watching until the end of the video because I'm gonna show you a lot of things that will help you to keep your children safe and also occupied on an airplane. Let's get started. Recently, we went to Cancun, to Riviera Maya, and also to Monterrey, my home city, to visit our relatives. So I had to bring some things with me in the airplane so the kids will be really busy while they were at the airplane. It was a 4-hour trip and my children are 5-year-old daughter and my son, he's 2.5, so they need to be busy. In order for them to stay seated, they need to be motivated. Let me show you what I got for them before we travel. All of these things you can get them at Amazon. You will be finding all the links of these products on the description box down below. So let's start with the safe things. Because of COVID, we are still taking a lot of precautions and more for the kids because there are not vaccines for them yet. Of course, you have to have enough face masks for them and also try to keep with you some of this. These ones are to keep the area where you at clean and disinfected. I use this for the airplane, for the seat. So once that we got to the airplane, I wiped everything, all the seats, the little tables, the screens in front while everyone was sitting, and then I will be cleaning everything super quickly, the 3 seats. I was seated in the aisle seat and my daughter in the window seat, then my son will be in the middle. You want to get one of these. It says kills 99% of the viruses and bacteria. These ones were very useful. Also, you need to bring with you hand sanitizer because they will be eating. So I thought that these ones might be handy as well because these ones, they are called wet ones. And these are antibacterial and these are hand wipes. So every time that they will eat, I took one of these and clean their hands, and you can also save them for later when they are done eating. This will help them a lot. Of course, you will need some tissues. Anything can happen, so I really suggest that you bring with you some tissues. You also will need some Ziploc bags for the rest of the things that they don't want. If you're taking with you a container, that's okay. But sometimes you have rest of foods or maybe some trash that you don't want and you can keep them in the Ziploc bag until the flight attendant will help you with the trash. These Ziploc bags will be very helpful and handy for your kids as well. These ones, the water wipes, I got these ones at Costco and these are very, very useful because every time that they get sticky with something or that they ate, sometimes I see parents that use sanitizer and then just to disinfect their hands, but then they wipe their hands with these so they are not smelly or sticky because of the sanitizer. So these ones are really good for everything after they eat or before they eat as well. And now let's go to the part to keep the kids entertained. I try to get them the same things because if I don't, they will be asking for the other kid toy or things. So I try to get things that will be interesting for them, but according to their ages, and also that were not that heavy to carry on my backpack. I bought this one for Eli, who is 2.5 years old. This is like a sticker book, but it's supposed to be reusable stickers. To be honest, they are not as great as the Melissa and Doe ones. Okay, I'm gonna show you the other ones in a bit. But I bought these ones because my son is obsessed with the space things, astronauts, and all things about the space. I thought that this might be helpful, and it was a hit. He was really into it and he enjoyed it a lot. Your kids can kind of pretend and create stories with this type of books. I got this one and also one about transports, vehicles, and those. I'm gonna put the picture right here. And also I got him this one, and I couldn't find the pen right now, but it comes with a pen that it has a little brush, and the lid has a little bit of space enough for you to put on some water, and it is a water reveal pack, and it's no mess. You're just using water, so you can use the water that they give you in the airplane to drink or ask for them. And once that you finish painting, then it will be colored, but once that it dries, it starts to be like this again. It was really fun for my son, my oldest, who is 5. She wasn't that into it, but she still liked it. My son was more into this one. So if you have a toddler, I think this will be very helpful. This is a Melissa and Doe, so I really recommend getting this one, and the size of this one is really good as well. You can get any type of stickers and a notebook, and those will be also very helpful for your kids. For my daughter, like I was telling you, I got some Melissa and Doe reusable sticker books. This is one of those. This was for like girls, and it has all the clothes, and this is like the closet where you can hang all the clothing, and also has pets, and you can dress the little dolls like you want. See, like the girls, put them some shoes and decorate them as whatever you like. Here are some dolls that you can also move around, and this was really neat. I found my daughter was really into it. She kept herself entertained like more than an hour with only one of these books. And there are some others for fairy tales and mermaids that you can find in Amazon as well. I will be leaving the link on the description box down below. Also, I got these pads. These ones are really neat. I found them because they sometimes watch me write on my iPad. So this is like an iPad where they can write. So I'm gonna show you, okay? This is the pen that comes with it. It comes attached here, and then you can just write here. And every time that you want to erase what you draw or wrote, you just press this button right here and it will be deleted. This was really fun for my 5-year-old daughter. My 2-year-old son wasn't really into it, at least not as much as my daughters. If your kid loves drawing, this will be a hit for them. Also, I got this one and my son was using this one a lot. This is a tape activity book, and again it's from Melissa and Doe, and it was fun for him to put some of the tapes here on the tiger. For example, this is one of the things that comes. You can put some more tapes. It comes with the 4 color tapes: red, green, blue, and yellow, so you can use them in every page. This is a fish, for example, and he was really more into animals than into the objects that were in this book, but this was really fun as well. About electronics, you can also bring their iPads, and for these ones I really suggest that you bring a set of headphones. And for the headphones, I really found these ones that are Bluetooth but also came with a cable, and you can connect them with the cable as well. So they actually use these ones with a screen that was in the airplane, and also using the cable, and also with a Bluetooth just for the iPad. So these were really handy and they are great. You can find them also in Amazon, and they have some lights here, they light up, okay, and they are very nice. I got my daughters and my sons one to each. You can make them bigger from here, or you can make them smaller for their little heads. And of course, they are iPads with some applications. I really suggest that you search for some applications that are available to work with offline, because you not always get Wi-Fi in the airplanes, and if you do, it's not really good. So I highly suggest that you get some games that your kids can play with without needing Wi-Fi. Okay, so these are the basic things that I got. The snacks, if you want me to make a video about the snacks I brought, just let me know in the comments, but I really wanted to make this video about the things that keep my kids entertained, occupied, and safe in the terms of the cleaning and the viruses that you can get in the airplane. If you have traveled recently with your kids, let me know what you brought. I am very interested in knowing more things like that they can keep the kids entertained and also learning. I really hope that you find this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.